what's he doing? Oh, you know, just riding by myself. Oh, really? Oh, yeah. Recording videos. Oh, you're fine, man. How are you? It's all good. Some clear edges here. That's pretty cool. A little shot of the river. All right, let's do this. chunk. A lot of flat chunk. Those views though. Hiker trail right there. Now, oh, huh. Lines are there. Gotta save some energy for all the real riding. Definitely have to watch your pedal management out here. Scrapes all over all these rocks from people. Little bush conundrum there. Like a weird frog in my throat. Huh. This ride might not even make it onto the YouTube channel. I don't usually record just cross country, really cross country stuff. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you guys enjoy it or mostly just gnarly bits. It is gorgeous up here. Onward we go. Forward. Onward. This can be a scenic tour of the mesa. I guess if you run a regular bike, this can be a pretty good workout. These cross-country people are in shape. Ladder to the magic spandex they wear. Gives them speed. And then it's a cool little chunky bit. I guess I could see why you could like it. A blue rated trail if you're curious. The road still goes through down there. Kind of steep. The trail does traverse the rim. It's definitely not what I was thinking. I was assuming we were going to be riding on the rim, like with a little more exposure. good job finding this cool hole of rock in here. Probably one of those trails you can ride in the rain. Sleep very good last night. Dun dun. Dun dun dun. Weather's nice still. A little windy, like 52, 53 I think. Maybe 55 by now. Very nice. My style. Oh yeah, look at this. Huh. Cool little feature. Probably could just jump off that, but hard when you've never been on a trail. Riding everything blind. Looking as far ahead as you can, but obviously if you know what's coming, you can do a lot more. Make a trail a lot more fun when you know what the features are, where all the stuff is, like this. Trail that if you knew it. That's cool. Tech. Only watch the pedal zone. Rock is a little tight. good?
Yeah, we're good. Thank you, man.
Have a good day, man. Oh, here's the river bottom. It's kind of cool. There's no water in it. Huh. Well, this is kind of cool. It goes across the river bottom. I wonder if you can't ride this far end if the river's high or raging during floods or I don't know, melt off or something. It is Southern Utah, so a little harder to melt off stuff when there's not a lot out here. I'll give this trail an A for how good it looks though. Keep that lens clear for you guys so you can see. Inspire some of you guys to get out and ride. Man, it's such a good feeling when you're on outdoors on two wheels, whether it be the e-bike, fat bike, or the enduro bike. They're all so much fun. I tend to bring the e-bike to Southern Utah because you can ride way more trails. Instead of doing 20 miles a day, I can do 50 or 60. Double your fun, double your pleasure, double your fun. Name that old 80s tune for a commercial for gum. Maybe 90s. Probably 90s. Hard to say, I get 80s, 90s confused. I grew up in the 80s, 90s. Good times were had though. Some beating of the brothers. In a little trouble. Getting windy. I hope the swim muffler is working good for you guys. It seemed like it from the last couple videos. It was way better. With the wind guard. Still need to put it on my I'll try to put a link in the description of one of these videos once I get all that set up. I'll have all my gear and a bunch of other cool stuff on there. I'll have a bunch of affiliate links. So if you do watch my stuff and you do like it, it doesn't cost you any more money and it helps support the channel so I can keep making more videos and better videos. On more trips. I really appreciate it. Also, if you guys haven't already, like and subscribe. Ooh, look at this. Definitely got the sulfur smell out here though. I don't know what or where it's coming from, but man, it's strong out here. That smells like dog farts. If you don't know what sulfur smells like. Hiking trail right there. Canal trail. Whew. That sulfur is strong. Hot dang. Oh no, stuffed by the rock. I should have probably got that. I blame that on the sulfur smell. Whew, man. I feel like I'm in a dog kennel right now. I don't know how people normally ride this. If it's an out and back or if they're tying in some of the other greens. I would assume they come back on something else, or they start at the end of this, come this way, and go back on one of the greens, maybe. I don't know. There's a lot of trails out here. A bunch of greens. Jen is out here. A couple others. They're all cross country, like I said, but still a good time. Everyone's got their things. It's nice to take a break, I guess, and just get a little scenic sometimes. Oh, spoke too soon, I guess. Ooh. That's a lesson. Don't talk smack on the trail. It'll kick you in the face. I was not ready for that. Just going nice and chill. And all of a sudden, big old chunky rocky corner. Caught me by surprise. Oh boy. Yeah, good job, buddy. Well, there's average MTB for you. I guess that's what I should call my channel. Average MTB. Some days are better than others. Like I said, tired today. Gonna have to be charged tonight. Some food. Weather keeps heating up like this, we'll have some alpine riding here in the next month. We'll see though. Every time I think it's going to heat up and warm up, we get more snow. There was a light dusting at my house this morning when I left to come south. Leave my house at 28 degrees, arrive here at 55, 53. Let me know if you guys hear the wind howling through there. It is blowing. Originally I tried these little wind things you just stick on. They weren't very nice. I bought this foam wind thing that goes over. Panorama Point. So the rest of this trail basically just pops up and over and kicks you out down there. You see that far parking lot over there? Put you down there, but I'm not going to drop all that elevation since I'm camping the opposite direction today. Beautiful out here though. Sun's out. Got the snow on the mountains over there, which is pretty sweet. I love camping that side. That's where I was last weekend. All right, I guess this would technically be where the downhill starts, maybe? Just come over this ridge. I would assume you'd consider this Hurricane Rim downhill. Maybe. I don't know. This will be the longest sustained downhill on this trail. Oh man, they need smell-o-vision so I can share that sulfur smell with you guys. Upside down, boys. Yeah, there's that uphill. It's stuck in your face. Oh yeah. Use those as like little hoppers. Got little stuff in there. A little loose. The hill's down. gravel. Loose rock on this. It's just when you think you have traction, you're like, I don't think I do. Maybe I do. Loose. So loose. Yeah. Nice. Fully drained. If there's any cool climbing down there, these old rock walls, rock cliff sides, pretty amazing. Bunny hop of your life right there. Give you guys a view of this. I don't know what that trail that is. That's, I think, the hiking trail. Looks pretty cool though, if you're a hiker. All right, back at it. We're almost back to the river wash.